Welcome to how to get money from TikTok. So in this video we are going to show you how to get money from TikTok. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you will open up TikTok, and then you will go into your profile. Then you will tap on these three lines at the top right, and then you will see this option where it says TikTok Studio. And now here you can see that we have this option where it says monetization. So there are multiple methods of monetization, but TikTok will basically show you these methods according to your profile. Okay, so tap on this option where it says view all, and then here you can see that right now my balance is this, and and according to my account I can only use this subscription based monetization method for TikTok. Okay, so also there are some requirements for the TikTok monetization to be turned on your profile, and those requirements you can basically go to Google and check for the requirements here, that you have at least you know have 100 followers, and then at least you received over 100k likes, okay, in the past 28 days. So this is the main requirement, that you should have at least 100k followers on TikTok. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.